Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to replace the Roborock S8 Pro battery using a basic Phillips screwdriver. One issue with robot vacuums, if you don't use them, is battery failure, which happened to my S8 Pro that I haven't used for more than a year. I was gonna give this away, but when I tried using it, this happened. It didn't happen once, it happened several times. So I'm pretty sure it's a bad battery that's been discharged for too long. So it's time to replace it. You'll need one tool for this job, a Phillips screwdriver. The first step is to remove the side brush to provide unimpeded access to the base plate. Once the side brush is off, remove all the screws holding the base plate. There will be one bolt right here that doesn't look like a bolt, but it's actually the last bolt holding the base plate in place. I'm not sure why Roborock put it there, but just push the screwdriver and loosen it. After removing all the bolts, lift the base plate, then remove the battery and disconnect this connector from the port. Once you get your new battery, reattach it. Make sure this latch faces the side brush when you're attaching, and push it down until you hear a click. Carefully slide the battery into its slot. Please refer the proper orientation in this video if you're buying an original Roborock battery. Reattach the bottom plate, tighten all the screws, and reattach the side brush, and you're done.